So this week we're going to finish up our contact page, and then we're going to add a blog attachment to our site. Okay, so we're going to go to the contact page. So you can open up, you can either go to File, Open Recent, or Open and get to your contact page. And then we're going to go into Google Maps, which is maps.google.com. Okay, and we'll use the Piedmont address because that's probably the easiest thing to use right now. So I've put in the Piedmont address here and hit enter, and obviously this is Piedmont College. You're going to go over to the left here where it says menu and drop down, and you're going to find share or embed map. Okay, you're going to click on that and you get the embed code. So share a link, we want the embed map. Okay, so you're going to copy that. And then we're going to do the same thing we've done with everything else. Sorry. And we're going to do the same thing we've done with everything else. I'm going to return a couple of times so we have them here. And we're going to take that embed code and we're going to paste it into the middle. Click OK, and then it will be there. Now, of course, we can't see it, so we are going to save. And then we're going to look at it. And there it is. There's our interactive map that shows up there. So there's your map. Okay, so since this week you got off pretty easy with just adding a map to your contact page and finishing out your contact page, we're also now going to add a blog into your About page. So the first thing you need to do is follow the directions on creating a blog. I do mine in WordPress. It's probably your easiest way to go. If you don't blog yet, you should. It's really important in media to have your opinions and your expertise known. So here's one of my blogs. So I'm going to actually go to the blog section of my Each Other Shoulders site, and I'm going to click on one of the blogs, okay? And I'm just going to copy the URL, edit, copy, and then I'm going to go back into my Dreamweaver here, and I'm on my About page. There I am. I'm going to add a picture that emulates my blog. So let's go back to my blog and to the home page, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Okay, screenshot, there it is, and then I'm going to use that as the picture. So I'm going to add my picture. I go to Insert Image. I find my picture. You should name it. Mine says screenshot right now because I did it quickly. EOS, Each Other's Shoulders, and I hit OK. And it's big, so I want to click on it. And I want to, oops, sorry, clicked on it too many times. I want to go down here and make it much smaller, right? I'm going to make it, let's go 400. And as long as this is checked, it'll check itself. There you go. If this happens to you where it comes outside of your borders, click on it and go over here to bottom, and instead of it saying 0 or 600, go to auto now. Noticing auto works a lot better. It'll automatically adjust it. Okay, so now my picture is in, and I want this picture to be the link to my blog post. So I'm going to go down here to link, and I'm going to paste what I had copied before into there. And now that picture has a link on it. So let's save it, and then let's check it out. See if it goes to my blog post. When I go to my About page, I didn't float it, so it's to the right, and look, it goes directly to. So now I can go back in and float it left or right, or make it go center, however I want to. So your work this week is to finish out your contact page and make sure you have an interactive map in there. And then also in your About at the bottom or wherever you'd like, I want you to put in a photo and make that photo connect to a blog post, which also means you need to have a blog. So the directions are there for you to create a blog, and I will ask you for the link to that blog. And so your assignment is going to be to take us through both your contact page and the blog post. So you will be uploading either a video PowerPoint or a paper that does screenshots and explains how you put together your contact page and your blog post with a link to your blog. Have a great week.